I'm sure you know that managing properties can become overwhelming unless you have a great software in place. DoorLoop and Showdigs are great property management software options. Today, I will be reviewing both DoorLoop and Showdigs so you can decide which option is best for you. Stick around till the end of the video for something special. Hey there, Galina here, a property management expert with DoorLoop. Just to let you know, I do work for DoorLoop, therefore my opinions may be biased. Showdigs Property Management. Showdigs is a management platform for property owners, landlords, and leasing agencies that combines AI, automated leasing software, showing tools, and much more. It is specially designed for property managers trying to scale their business and cope with tenant turnover and demand. Showdigs features: scheduling tools, local agents, self-showings, AI leasing bot, and more. Showdigs pricing. Showdigs price is $20 per listing per month with a minimum of 5 listings every month. They also have an additional cost for add-ons, which can really depend on the market you are in because they're not currently nationwide. Does Showdigs offer a free trial? There's currently no free trial available for the Showdigs platform. Showdigs reviews. Here are some of the things happy users have expressed regarding Showdigs. Keeps my employees from having too much drive time. Showings are on demand and help us rent homes quick. Its core function on in-person inspections help to give peace of mind for showings. I like the pre-screening functions, good with inspections. Love that it helps us complete move-outs when we have several move-outs scheduled at once and can't be in several places at one time. Also, here are some of the things that users wish were different with this software. Sometimes the app really lags and doesn't work properly and will freeze as well. Meeting members of the public at properties can be a risky job. The only thing that I don't like is that I have to verify my account every 30 days, and that is just a little detail that I can get over. Now that we have discussed Showdigs, let's look into DoorLoop to see which option is best suited for your business. DoorLoop. DoorLoop is one of the most versatile programs, covering all of the key areas for landlords and agents. It is affordable and operates at the highest level. DoorLoop features: marketing tools, excellent accounting tools, advanced owner portal, online payments, and much more. DoorLoop pricing. DoorLoop starts at only $49 for up to 20 units. The amount of features offered, coupled with the amazing customer service, is worth much more than that. DoorLoop reviews. DoorLoop has many happy customers across lots of review sites, including Capterra, Software Advice, and more. Here are some of the things that DoorLoop users say. This is a team of people that truly care about your success. They listen to your suggestions, they want your feedback, and they may even implement your ideas and features. I feel very supported by them. Another great feature is ease of use, which is crucial to those of us not schooled in accounting. Also, their accounting and reporting system is comprehensive, but yet really straightforward. And although this section is supposed to be the section showing what users wish were different about DoorLoop, they had nothing but good to say about it. Not only did they take my suggestions seriously, but they also told me that they would pass the request along to their development team to get the change on the schedule. Not sure I'm supposed to know it, but I guess that option is coming. I submitted it as a feature suggestion and they took it seriously. Which option should you choose? Showdigs is best for people who want to spend less time showing their properties to focus on other things. DoorLoop has lots of features to offer overall. If you're struggling to deal with all your rental properties and are looking for a solution, you can schedule a free demo today to see what DoorLoop can do for you. Go to www.doorloop.com/go. Click the link above for a free demo. Remember that something special I mentioned at the beginning of the video? Well, since you watched the whole video, you may just get a special discount. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.